Hello everybody, welcome to Year 1 Phonics. I've got a really tricky sound for you today. It's not very common, so you won't see it a lot in words, but you might spot it in the occasional word in your reading book. It's when the I and E together, instead of making an I sound, like in the word pie or tie or tried, it makes an E sound. Tricky, isn't it? So let's have a look at some of those words. Yield, field. Yield, yield. Yield means hold. How much something can hold is its yield. It's quite a hard word. You probably won't spot that in your reading book. Yield, shield. Chief, chief. Priest, priest. Brief, brief. I told you it was hard. Now, if you want a sentence, your sentence today is, I saw your shield in the field. Not a very good sentence, but that was all I could think of. I saw your shield in the field. Have a go, and then don't forget to check on our home learning page for extra activities to do with the E sound when it's made by the I and the E letters. Bye for now.